Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video in the last video we have seen how to declare a variable and how to store the data into the variable and how to print that data into the console application. In this video we are going to see how to use these operators. So operators are nothing but like to manipulate the data we need to use this one. First is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication and division, and these are the basic arithmetic operations. And then in the comparison operators are we can able to see equals to and then not equals to and greater than, less than, those kind of uh, comparison operators are there. And then we can able to see the logic operators are we need to like uh, and or and these kind of logic operators will be there. We can able to we can able to uh, compare, like we can able to logically we can able to differentiate the data between the if conditions and while conditions are those places we can able to use these variables. Let's see one by one in the arithmetic operators. Like for example, if I declare a variable called uh, for example a, and a is equal to 10, and then if I declare a variable called b is equal to 11, then if I want to add them, so I'm going to create one more variable called add, that is equal to a plus b. So what it will do, it is storing the a value into this the 10 value into the a, and it will storing the 11 value into the b. So then we are creating a variable called add that will adds the a plus a and b, both values addition will be stored into this one. We can able to print that one. We can able to see how we can able to print, like how the numbers those numbers are uh, printing on the console. So as you can see, the 21 has been printed. Like the way we can able to we can able to use the subtract method as well. And sub equals to a minus b, and then I'm going to print that a minus b as well. So like that we can able to perform all these operations in the plus, minus, multiplication and division as well. In the comparison operations, so we can able to see how we can able to compare these variables values inside the if conditions and conditional looping methods and etc. So for example, if I if I want to like compare this a and b, we can able to whether those two variables are equal. If we want to compare a equals to b, if in this case the 10, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 11, in this case this is not true, but we can have this else loop, else condition, and then if we write, we can able to see how we can able to get the output here. So we can write here a is equals to b. Also in the same way, a is not equals to b. So the comparison operations mainly compares the two variables. In between we can able to whether it is true or false, we can able to distinguish with these comparison operators. We can run this command now. Now you can see a is not equal to a, because we have given a is equal to 10 and b equals to 11. So if we give the same value as a has, and then if we run this one, we can able to see this a is equals to b. So like this it will works. And the next thing is, so for example, these two comparison operations, and if we have any kind of other comparisons is there, we can able to check those with these logical operators. For example, a equals to b, and then a not equals to b. This in this case this is not true, then it will print again. If it is true, then it will print this one. So these both conditional comparisons will combine with the AND operator, and then OR operator also works the same way. So like this, these three operators are like primary operators we can able to use in the C# applications. Thank you.